What's up, guys? Hey, I wanted you to see this new, brand new Elevation. It's dynamic blue. This is the 2.7 liter turbo engine. It'll save you tons on gas. Probably about $100 a month, depending on what gas prices are. It's going down right now, but I think it might go up. I'll do a little walk around. You do have the flex gate. Show you how the keys are. Here's the keys. Double press this, it'll go down. There you go, you got the rims, black. This one does come with the steps on this one. Beautiful. And I'll show you the interior. It does have the 13.4 screen infotainment center. This is 2022. This is beautiful, dynamic blue. We do have a brown one and a red one, and those are really nice too. But I love this new color. Let me show you the interior. There we go. You got the wood accent. Stereo. You got the Tint positioning. AC goes up, down, left, right. There we go. Let me turn this on. You got the middle container, so you can fit 6 people. Turn this on. Oh, this is beautiful. There we go. The digital screen. Here, let me show you how. Turn the air conditioner. You do have the setup, split. Navigation. You do have Apple CarPlay, wireless, Bluetooth, OnStar. 2 glove boxes. You have the charger ports, your C and regular one, and dual heated steering wheel. Heated seats, heated steering wheel as well. Adjustable cruise control. This is the interior, and I'll take it out on a ride here later on so I can show you how much power it has. You get about 20 miles per gallon. Show you how the back is, how comfortable. This is me sitting in my leg room. I'm a little. There we go. And you do have a charging port and a 120 outlet in the back. You have one in the back as well. Right there. You have the lights and LED lights here. LED front lights, fog lights. Let me show you the engine. People don't realize this is the future. These twin turbos right here, that's where the air goes in, filtrates, and gets you more air, so it gives you more power. There it is. There's your LED lights, fog lights, your anchors right there. Just beautiful truck. Alright guys, let me know what else y'all want me to do a walk around. I can drive this. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think. Put that in the comments. Alright guys, later. Thank you.